My name of the company is Double Eagle. I was a pro golfer, and so Double Eagle is what they call an albatross. It's a hole-in-one on par 4 or 2 on a par 5. So it's a unique name, and you kind of want to be the best at what you do, and same way with concrete pumping. And I went and sat down with a good friend of mine and went over with him. He said, yeah, why don't you do that? And kind of encouraged me a little bit, and that's where we kind of started. I ordered 1, and I ordered 2, and I ordered 3, and just kind of grown that way. And it's all been, through the CPR with the swings. Bought a 750/18 line pump, and then I bought another 500 through Jason. And then when it came, for me, a logical progression was talking to Jason. He got me in touch with Jim, the salesman, and then finding out about the the CPR up here. And it's a refurbished pump. It's it's a 06, 07 models, and it made sense to me to spend a little bit more money and try to save myself, not having to have a mechanic on duty or hire a mechanic right off the bat. Get a better piece of equipment. It's not brand new, but it's like brand new. And that would allow me to do little things without having to sink a lot of money into buying a used pump and having to work on it all the time. And it also gives me the leverage there with customers to know that, hey, you're going to show up, you're going to pump this job out, and then we have no issues with breakdowns. And the common consensus that I could find was Schwing was a really solid pump, safe pump. When I started asking questions, you found out how stable the unit is, and in the industry, it is kind of the standard is Schwing. So. I have some friends that just, I try to convince them about Schwing, but they buy the cheaper model and they spend a lot of money working on them, and you're like, man, just get you a Schwing, and it's just to me it's a better product, better service, the whole 9 yards.
I wouldn't know the difference from a refurbished or a brand new one, but it pumps like it's new. I like Schwing, and it does what it's supposed to do.
Oh, in my book, they're number 1. That's why I buy the Schwing. Just so I know that, I know what I'm getting. I know the customer service. If something goes wrong, I pick up the phone. I can get a mechanic, down to Mississippi. It doesn't matter. They want to make sure that it's right. And that leaves you with a sense of gratitude, a sense of pride as far as, that's Schwing's my company. They're going to take care of you.